Hey, what's up? It's Jono here and welcome to my local AI expert review. Now, I'm here in the members area of AI Local Expert, and during this video I'm going to give you a demo of exactly what this does and a full run through. I'm also going to talk to you about the upsells and stuff so you know exactly what you get in if you choose to pick this up. Now, I've also put together a ton of custom made bonuses that you can grab by simply clicking on the link down below this video. That's going to bring you through to my bonus page that looks like this. And AI Local Expert is going to be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 6th of May. So as of that time, you'll be able to click on the link down below this video, come through to my bonus page, and then click on any of these orange buttons to pick up my bonuses. So in a nutshell, AI Local Expert is going to allow you to put custom trained AI avatars, chatbots on your websites or on your clients' websites. Now, this is where you're going to be able to make money from AI Local Experts, because you're going to be able to put these AI trained avatars on your clients' businesses' websites. I'm going to go into more detail on this, exactly how to set it up and everything inside this video, so stay tuned. But first I want to talk about the bonuses that I put together for you when you pick this up via my link, which is obviously down below in the description of this YouTube video. Bonus number one, I'm going to give you a $1,500 discount on my latest 20K per month done for you product. Now, this is a product that I recently created together with my business partner, and it's going to allow you to make upwards of $20,000 a month using Instagram. Now, don't worry, we give you all of the content that you need to post. We also give you a high ticket product that you can use to make money from. We give you a 50% commission on this high ticket product, so you're going to be making $1,000 a sale. And all you need to do is post the content that we give you on a daily basis to your Instagram account. Everything else is taken care of. It's going to take you literally 10 minutes a day. So if you're interested in that, it's usually $2,500, but I'm giving you a $1,500 discount through this first bonus if you are interested. Okay. Bonus number two, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic to your clients' websites or to your own websites using an app that I released a few years ago, which is called JavaScript Commission Bot. Now, what this does is it's actually a Chrome plugin that goes into your browser, and what it will do is it'll go and follow different people on Instagram. It'll go and follow the followers of a influencer. So for example, you are in the Make Money Online space. Okay, this app will go and follow the followers of people like, I don't know, Ty Lopez, Alex Harmozy, etc. People who have millions and millions of followers, and you know that their followers are interested in business, making money online. So what happens is when this app goes and follows those people will get a notification to say, Jono has just started following you, or whatever your account is. Out of curiosity, they'll go and check out your account, and they'll go and visit the link in your bio, and that will get you free traffic to the links in your bio, which could go to an affiliate product, it could go to your own services. It's basically a great way to get free targeted traffic, and this is yours 100% free of charge when you pick up AI Local Expert via my link. Bonus number three, I'm going to show you the best way to set up a gig on Fiverr. Now, with AI Local Expert, obviously one of the ways that you can make money with this is to offer this as a service to local businesses. And where do you get these local businesses from? Well, apart from going and finding them manually, you can actually offer this as a service on a place like Fiverr, and those local businesses will come to you. So it makes the whole process passive on your behalf. Instead of you having to go out and look for these local businesses, you put up a gig on Fiverr and these local businesses will come to you. So you need to know how to set it up the correct way, and I've put together a guide for you on how to do this on Fiverr. So this will streamline your business and get you clients on autopilot. Okay, bonus number four, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day directly from your mobile phone. So when you're on holiday or when you're not at the office, when you don't have your laptop available, you can still make money directly from your cell phone, upwards of $100 a day. Again, this bonus is yours completely free of charge when you pick this up via my link. Now, bonus number five, I'm going to give you all the bonuses that the vendor has given to me to give to you. This is what most other people making these review videos, these are the only bonuses that they're going to be offering to you. I'm going to be offering them to you as well on top of all the custom bonuses I just talked to you about. So when you pick this up via my link, all of these bonuses are going to be delivered to you automatically inside of your JVZoo account. All you need to do is simply go to your JVZoo receipt. You're going to find a blue button that says bonuses from Jono. When you click on that blue button, you'll get instant access to every single one of these bonuses that I just talked to you about, completely free of charge, instantly delivered to you. Okay, now I'm going to go into the members area. I'm going to explain to you exactly how this works and why you should be excited. So we're now inside of the members area. As you can see, the first thing that you're going to see is this welcome video, which is a walkthrough video of exactly how this works. Now, this is good because it's going to give you some additional info on exactly how to set this up, but it's my aim to show you exactly what you need to do inside of this review video. So I'm just going to close that down. First thing we need to do is go to AI Avatar Creator. So we're going to click on there, and this is where you can go and choose an image from your computer, or you can go and choose from a bunch of avatars that have already been created. I'll show you how to do that later on. But for now, let's say if this is your own website, you need to upload an image of yourself. If this is going to be for a client, then it's obviously best to upload a client's or your client's picture, the person who actually owns the website that you are working with, because this is going to give them some great branding and it's going to help them out with their business. But anyway, for the example here, I'm just going to upload an image of myself, which I've actually done here. I'm going to go ahead and go to my computer, browse, click on this image, and then we're going to enter a prompt. This is important. Okay, please use the background of a plumber's workshop and use a helmet. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. It does take a little bit of time to generate this image. I'm not quite sure what's going to happen with the whole helmet thing and how that's going to look. We might have to remove the helmet later on. We'll see how this image turns out. All right, so it's generated this image of me with a helmet on, but it looks like I'm actually wearing like a chef's uniform or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this another time. Do this one more time. Okay, I'm going to enter the prompt. So I am a plumber. Please use a plumber uniform and make the background a plumber workshop. Or let's just remove the word plumber and just have generic workshop. Okay, so please upload an image. All right, let's do that again. Open. All right, so it's generated this avatar. I left out the helmet. My hair looks a little bit different, but never mind. We can go ahead and we can use this avatar. So the next thing we need to do is go over to projects, and we need to go ahead and create a new chatbot. So let's go and do that. And what we're going to do is make a plumber. Okay, so let's go ahead, select the plumber expert, and there's tons of other ones to choose from. It all depends on what kind of local business that you're working with. You know, if you're working with a restaurant, then you obviously want to choose the restaurant expert, because these experts come pre-trained with a bunch of information unique to their expertise. So if it's a dentist, they're going to know about, you know, different dental tools and teeth whitening and stuff like that. But we're going to go with a plumber expert for this example. So I'm going to go and choose my avatar that I created. Okay, I'm going to click on next. And then here is where we're going to enter in the website of a URL. Now, obviously, if you're the person that owns this website and you're making this avatar and this chatbot for your own website, you need to put the website of, well, you need to put your website URL into this area here. Now, excuse me, if you're working with a local client, for example, then you need to put their website in here. So what I've done is I found a plumber in New York, right? So I'm just going to grab the URL of this plumbing website, and that's what I'm going to plug in to the website here. So enter in the domain and verify the pages. Now this is going to take a few minutes, because what it's actually doing here is actually going to crawl this particular website, and it's going to look for information from this website, like the contact details, the opening hours, the radius in miles or kilometers of how far this particular plumber will work in the New York area. And it's going to gather all of that information. It's going to put it into a unique database, so that when a potential client asks questions to this chatbot later on, it will immediately have the answers to give to that person inside of the chat, right? So this has already scraped or crawled all of these pages. There's 105 pages in total. So let's go ahead and create the chatbot. Now what it's doing is it's taking all that information from those 105 pages and it's putting it into this database of information. Now you can see the AI Local Expert chatbot on the sales page of AI Local Expert. You can see it down here hovering around. Now what I did is I went and asked it, okay, how can I make money using AI Local Expert? And it's come up with all of these different ways that people can make money using AI Local Experts. And this is the exact same chatbot that you can actually put on your websites and train it with the information from your business or your client's business. So what this means is that you can offer this to local businesses, okay? Or if you're already working with local businesses, you can offer this as an additional feature that you can set up for that person's business. And you can offer them this service at an additional, $80 to $100 a month, right? And you've seen how easy this is to set up on behalf of your clients. Or you can throw this in as a bonus, right, to get even more clients to work with you. I think it's a great thing that you can use. So this has been set up, and now we can start testing out this chatbot. So let's just say, what are your opening hours? Okay, and the chatbot has gathered all of this information, and you can see our opening hours are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. What else could we ask this? How much do you charge to fix a pipe? Let's see what it comes up with here. You see, it's got all of this information here. So if you think of this from a potential client's perspective, they've come onto your website, and maybe your website is not, they can't contact you directly because it's 7 p.m. and your business is actually closed. So instead of that particular business paying for somebody to reply live via a chat, you can put this on your client's website, and this will actually reply to that person in real time. So this is a great alternative to having to pay a real person to monitor the chat, right? And you can see it looks pretty good. It's got this image of me with the plumbing workshop in the background, right? Now granted, I look kind of a little bit different, but it'll do, right? And if you're working with these local businesses, you would obviously have their photo in there. So what do we do next? Well, you go and add this to the site, and it's very easy to do. All you would need to do is just grab this piece of script that it's generated, copy it, and add it into the head code of that client's website. That's all. That's as simple as it takes. That's all you need to do. It's pretty simple. Now, they also have some other features in here, so you can train this on particular custom data. So if you wanted to add in some more Q&A stuff in here, you can kind of preempt what question that particular client may have, and you can give it the right answer to use. So I recommend that you do that with kind of 10 different questions and answers of common questions that might get asked. You can also look at the chat sessions that you've had with this particular chatbot. You can have a look at the offline messages, so you can get back to certain clients that have messaged you during non-opening hours, and you can get back to them relatively quickly here, so you can, your clients can get those people as clients pretty easily. You can customize the whole thing, the appearance here, choose the background color, the text color, the border radius. They got all of this advanced stuff in here, so when you first engage with this chatbot, this is what it's going to say. You can change the chatbot icon, so you can have this as, you've got all these different custom icons in here that you can use. You can even change the avatar that you want to use. If you want to use the avatar of me with this chef uniform on, you can do that. And you can also generate animation for this avatar. Now, this is going to take a little bit of time to do this, but what it's basically going to do is the avatar that you choose based on your client's photo or your photo, the one that you've uploaded, you can actually have it to be kind of animated. So it'll kind of look to the side, the left and the right, and it will basically make it a little bit more engaging. As you can see, it's done it here, and you see I'm blinking. I don't know if you can see that, but if you look closely, I'm now blinking. I look like I've got a pretty bad hangover with these bags under my eyes, but never mind. Yeah, this actually makes it a little bit more engaging because it's actually blinking. It looks like it's a real person. Okay, so that is what AI Local Expert does. Now let's talk about the prices and the upsells. And you can find all this information by clicking on the link down below in the description. It'll bring you through to my bonus page here where you can scroll down. You can browse all of this information here. So there's a few different entry points. The front end, the commercial, is going to be $47, and that will give you everything that I just showed you inside of my review. There is an upsell, which is the pro version. This is going to be $67, and I'm guessing this will give you more. It will allow you to create more avatars. You see, I'm on the enterprise plan right now, which is this one. This is going to be $197, and this is going to give you 300 avatars. It's going to give you 300 animations, and it's going to give you 400,000 tokens to use. Now, I'm not sure how these tokens work, but you can always get in touch with support to figure out how that works. But I'm guessing with the front end, you only get a certain amount of avatars that you can create, a certain amount of animations that you can create. Upsell number one is going to give you more avatars that you can create and more animations that you can create. And obviously with the enterprise version, you get what you see here, right? 300 avatars, 300 animations. OTO 3 is the AI Local Experts. Okay, that will give you 30 additional niches that will unlock. So all of the niches that I showed you in the beginning, when you create a new chatbot, all of these niches, right, it will give you an additional 30. So there might be some hidden niches that, if you are working with clients that are in kind of quirky niches, you might need to get this. And then upsell number 4 is AI Local Experts Ignite. This is going to be $77. And this is going to allow you to basically rebrand this, right? It's also going to give you an agency landing page that you can use if you want to use this as an agency full-time to make money from this. It's going to give you ads that you can use, contract templates that you can use, Fiverr templates that you can use, and also AI-powered cold email writer that you can use to reach out to prospective new clients as an agency if you wanted to do this full-time and just make money using AI Local Experts. Right. There's also a bundle deal where it will give you access to everything, basically. It will give you access to all of this stuff. Now, this is not going to be cheap. Okay, it's going to be $307, and I'm going to leave a link to it. I'm going to leave a link to it just underneath here on my bonus page. So if you want to take advantage of the bundle, which gives you everything here, all bundled into one, which is going to ultimately save you money, then you can pick that up by clicking on the bundle deal button underneath this first button on my bonus page. It's not on there right now, but I will add it in there. And there's also a mega bundle deal, which is an add-on to this bundle deal. So I know this is starting to get a little bit more confusing, but if you buy the bundle deal and then you want to get the mega bundle deal, it will give you access to all of this stuff right here. Okay, so just go and have a read through that. But if you want that, then you would obviously need to buy the bundle deal first and then add this as an add-on inside of there. So this is going to be like an upsell to this bundle deal if you wanted to get everything inside of there. Okay, so that is basically it for me. Thank you so much for watching my AI Local Expert review, and I will see you in the next one. All the best. Take care. Bye.